Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am the Brown Canvas. If you have never been here before, welcome. Please be sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button before you head out. I'm not even going to waste any time. I'm just going to get right into it. Today's video is actually going to be a review of two products that I purchased a few days ago from the MakeupRevolution brand. I started using them about, I would say, a year to a year and a half ago, and I honestly have not been disappointed. They have a lot of good quality products for the low, okay? It's not going to hurt your pockets, and their range is so vast. They actually cater to deeper and dark skin tones, which, I mean, you've already sold me at that point. So I saw this picture probably about a week to 2 weeks ago floating around, and I was like, wait a minute, does that say bronzers? And they come in deep dark shades? Listen, bronzers and deep dark shades? Okay. And honestly, when I saw the picture, I was like, they must have photoshopped this. Like, this is not real. You know, they did a little something to it just so that it has that wow factor, you know, to kind of draw people in. And of course, it's a new product, so there are not many reviews on it. So I was like, okay. So basically, they have these two new products, and I believe that they have a couple of other new things that they've dropped, but these two right here are the items that caught my attention. Specifically, their ultra matte bronzer, because it runs deep, baby. Deeper than deep, okay? So the shade ranges, it's a total of 6 shades in total, and they range from light, medium dark, deep, dark, and deep dark. Listen, the variety. This is every brown chocolate girl's like dream. So that's what I saw online, and so I was like, sold. Where's my card? Where is my bank? Where is my bank card? I'm finna purchase. I'm finna give y'all a sale. The fact that they had, you know, so many categories, like they not just said dark, they said deep dark. In my experience of purchasing makeup, specifically like bronzers and stuff for darker skin, I know sometimes, or even just foundations too, I know sometimes they don't seem to get the concept of the undertones for the deeper skin. Have a tendency to do the deep foundations, but it's too red, so you look like you're walking around with red dirt underneath your makeup. And for so many of us who are darker, it's like we have undertones that are neutral, we have undertones that are yellow, we have undertones that are olive. So I respect any brand that can be inclusive, and that, you know, they don't just put a blanket when it comes to the makeup. I'm gonna stop talking. That's just my little spiel on this, but we're gonna try this on together, and we'll see if they actually did a good thing here. So let's see. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging for it. When I initially got this, I swatched, like I took my pinky, because I was so excited. I was like, oh my god, I took my pinky and I just did a little swatch of it. So I haven't applied it to my face or anything like that yet. There goes my pinky that I swatched. Okay, so let's go in and let's see what she's talking about. Let's see. Hello. So I'm just gonna chisel out my cheeks just a little bit right here. And then I'm gonna, can you guys see that? Okay. And gonna go in with a fluffy brush just a little bit more fluffy, and just use that to kind of fizz it out just a bit. Wow, I like this already. Get my forehead. Get around the perimeter. Can y'all see it? So you can use this as a contour, and of course to, you know, as a bronzer to warm up your skin. So, you know, you've done your foundation, you've done your powder, and so you want to add that color back into your skin. This will do it for you. I'm very, very pleased. And the fact that it's matte, so you don't have all the sparkles, because you know sometimes you want to do the bronzer, you want to warm up the skin, but you don't want to have the sparkles and all of that, the glitter going on. So the shelf life on this is 12 months, so it'll last you until next spring or up until next summer possibly. And guess what? It is cruelty free as well as vegan. So I mean, that just adds to the pros of it, and it's affordable. This, I paid $12 for this. Listen to me, please go get this. Please go get it. Okay, it's worth every bit of the $12 that you are going to pay for it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on. This is the second item that I purchased from them, and it is a face and body liquid illuminator. Summertime is coming up, and so who doesn't want to look like a glowing goddess, right? When that sun hits you just right, it's like, ooh. All right, so this one I haven't, I was like, I'm gonna save it, I'm gonna open it up with them. So open it up to here. Oh. Ah, god damn. Okay, that thing said, open me up, honey, open me up. Damn. Okay, you want to, okay, I'm gonna put you on, honey, but you have to relax. You have to relax for a second. Okay, so this one I got, let me see, is this a glass bottle? Let's see. Okay, hello. So this is a glass bottle, so I would just say be very careful with it. Look at that, look at all that golden beautifulness. It has coconut and pineapple fragrance. So for my people who may have allergies to coconuts or pineapples, or if you do not like those smells, then maybe this may not be the product for you. Okay, and where should I try it? I think I'm gonna do it right. I'm gonna do it right here first. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I smell it already. Oh yeah, that is pretty strong. So I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 drops. I'm feeling hella ambitious right now. So can you guys see that? So I'm gonna do 2 drops. I feel like a little bit, oh wow, a little bit goes a long way with this. Oh, it smells so good. Whew, wow, that smells really good. Look at that, look at that shoulder, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, this is perfect. Of course, this is perfect for summertime. I'm gonna just try it with my hands. My nails are gonna get so dirty, but that's okay. I'm gonna do all hair. Let's see. Okay, you guys. And listen, it doesn't feel greasy. So my biggest fear whenever I use like body illuminators is that I don't want to walk around looking like a walking bottle of glitter. And so I feel like this is very buildable. Oh, it smells so good. It reminds me, because I'm from New York originally, it reminds me when I was a little girl, the icy lady, and she would have like it was like a little, I don't know what, a cart, maybe like a cart on wheels, and she would open it up and you could get all kinds of flavors. You could get coconut, mango, pineapple, cherry. You could get them mixed together, and this is exactly what I keep like, makes me wanna, I'm gonna do a little bit more. So I really wanted to like pack it on just so that you guys could see. Warm bronze is the shade that I got, and it was actually recommended for dark to deeper skin tones. And they have two other shades. The other is rose gold, and then the last one is just simply gold, and it retails for $17. All right, you guys, so there you have it. My hands look crazy right now. That's okay. That's okay. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have gone out, purchased either of these two items or both of them, and let me know what your feedback is on it. Your experience, share down below, you know, anything that I didn't answer. And as always, stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Me and my sparkly hands.